And good morning, everybody. Made it to Wednesday here, August 3rd. I just got triggered, but it's too late. Got triggered short on the natural gas right before we opened up. All right, so let's take a look and let's see what we're going to be watching this morning. We'll continue to watch RTY, which is going to be our mini Russell. We're going to be continuing to watch NQ, which is going to be our mini NASDAQ. GC for gold, NG for natural gas. We'll be watching the Euro US for the currencies, watching the US yen down here. For the currencies, stocks, we're going to be continue to watch Tesla, Apple, AAPL, and then two new stocks, MGAM and QRTEB. So no initial setups coming in, long overnight on our overnight trades. What did we have? We had a RTY go long. We had an ES go long. We had a mini NASDAQ go long all last night. So we'll carry those and let those finish out the day long. All right, let's see what kind of news we have coming up today. See if we're gonna get any quick volatility spikes in here. So let's take a look real quick. I mean, we've got the S&P Global PMI. Not so sure that's going to really make much of a difference. Then 10 a.m. Eastern, we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI. And we may have some activity here in about another 30 minutes or so. So we'll see. Maybe that'll put a little bit of volatility in here. But right now, I don't see anything really big news events that's going to really cause any big disruption. So all right, I'm looking at MGAM. I am projecting it to come down to 692. We'll see if we get a bounce after that. But right now, it looks like she wants to come down to 692. So I'm just going to put that alert in to keep an eye on that. 692. Okay, we may have a possible short coming up over here on the US yen. Watching for that that double carrot right there for a short. Have to print a double carat for me to get a short on that. I don't see anything here on Euro. Man, still pretty quiet this morning. Looks like this mini Nasdaq wants to push up. I do see another possible level being hit here on the mini Nasdaq. I'm not gonna put on any trades here, but let's see here. Looks like the mini Nasdaq wants to push up to at least 130.20. 130.20. I do want to keep an eye on that though. 130.20. We'll see if we can get up to that 130.20 level on that mini Nasdaq. I'm not going to take any trades. Did have a trade earlier, but that came early this morning, so no go on that. Still waiting for MGAM down here to hit the 692 level. All right, looking at our overnight scan for the charts, it was pretty strong bias to the upside today. Let me take a look here. One of the things that we do is we do a morning scan, and I think we're looking at 12,000 different stocks. And we run our patterns against it, and we see if there's a bias for the overall market. And let's see, I do know it was biased to the upside, but I think it's pretty much. Yeah, almost 81%. Yeah, almost an 81% probability of the overall market to be up today. So we'll see if that holds. I don't necessarily use that as an indicator whether I'm going to be a buyer or seller, but I like to just get an overall feel for the overall direction. Right now, it does seem pretty strong bias to the upside this morning. So NQ is getting ready to hit its upper level up here. Okay, still pretty quiet across the board. Nothing new. Waiting to see if mini NASDAQ will hit this upper level up here, which is 130.20. Now MGAM stock looks like she's going to come down about 692. We'll see if we can get a bounce off of that. 692. All right, so we have about another 10 minutes to go here before the opening bell. I am expecting a higher opening. Could be a pretty nice opening too on the upside. We are coming in long overnight on our overnight positions. And we'll carry those in probably through the rest of the day. Seeing if NQ will hit this next upper level. Seeing nothing yet on the currencies. Nothing on gold yet. Watching Tesla, watching Apple. All right, about another 6 minutes to go here before the opening bell. Once again, I'm expecting it to open up higher. Don't have really any positions on right now. All right, about 2 minutes here before the opening bell. Expecting a higher opening. It's probably going to hit, push this mini NASDAQ up to our target up here. 130.20. All right, let's see. Now up 156. All right, I am going to buy on the yen of 63, 133.63. 133.63. $133.63 long on the US yen. This particular trade, we're not going to hold more than 4 to 5 minutes. We'll go ahead and get out. We're not looking for a particular target. We did finally hit that target on the mini NASDAQ. All right, also get a short on the Euro US at 1.0173, 1.0173. Dow's just hanging in there up 174. Pushing higher in RTY and also on our mini NASDAQ. RTY is your mini Russell. Still short a 173 on the euro. Still long on the US yen. Still long 63. Whoa, look at that yen go. It's gonna get about 10 seconds, still long 63. We're at 63.6. Look at that thing go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so that was a win on the Euro US. I'm sorry, that was a win. Yeah, that was a win on the Euro US. Also a win on the US yen. Not seeing any initial setups yet on our mini Russell. Not seeing anything on the mini Nasdaq. Nothing on gold. Nothing on natural gas. Out of our currencies. Tesla's still pointing and pushing higher. Apple's still pushing higher. Waiting for MGAM to come down to 692. Not seeing anything on QRTEB yet. Possible buy coming up, but it's got a ways to go here before we get triggered to buy on that QRTEB. Dow's now up 230. Good, Glenn. I'm glad to see you having success. I think it's those not familiar with my approach is kind of non-traditional in the sense that or non-conventional in the sense that I don't use indicators. Everything I do is based off of what I call behavioral patterns. And what I do is I have several that I overlay on top of each other to give me a better picture of where prices want to go or where they're attempting to go, and then I just go with the flow. Not have to use indicators. Indicators are lagging anyway, so, and I'm very much of a short-term trader, so when you're a short-term trader, whether you're trading stocks, commodities, anything, you want to be as close to the action as possible. You don't need a delay with whatever tool that you're using. And I mean, everything about trading is nothing but probabilities, right? We're always looking to put the probabilities in our favor, and that's, some tools can do that reliably over an extended period of time, and some can't. The only thing I've found that are reliable over a long period of time is patterns. Patterns. Watching gold to see if gold's going to pull back a little bit here. If it does, we'll get triggered short. But with the Dow going up, gold's going to follow. MGAM slowly working its way down to our 692 target here. Nothing on QRTEB. Still pretty quiet overall. This morning had a few trades, and had a trade in natural gas, had a trade in euro, had a trade in the yen. Okay, I'm watching natural gas here. We may actually get triggered on a buy here. Watching natural gas. If I can come up to 77.45, that's going to trigger a buy on this natural gas. 7745. Just triggered 7745 for a buy on natural gas. Target now is going to bring me up to 77.95. 77.95. This is what we call this an HF3 buy pattern, HF3. So 77.95 is our target, 45 entry, and if I need to reverse, I'm going to reverse down here at 76.45. MGIM is getting closer to 692 target. Long natural gas, looking for it to hit 77.95. let's see here. I know our report just came out here. S&P Global Service PMI just came out. I'm trying to push the market up a little bit, not much. Possible short coming up on gold. Let's watch gold. Still long natural gas. RTY's having a pretty good run over here. Continuing to go higher. Down quiet, up 196. Now it's starting to bounce back up 227, 235. Okay, I'm watching QRTEB, see if we get triggered here. Gotta get triggered at 1625, 1625. And just draw that line in there, 1625. Just got triggered on that on QRTEB at 1625. So now that's going to project me up to 1725. 1725, full dollar. All right, so target on that QRTEB is going to be 1725. Still long the natural gas. Target on gas, 77.95, reversal 76.45. Looking to see if MGAM is going to hit our lower target of 692. Wouldn't be surprised to see the Dow hit new highs here shortly. RTY starting to take off again. So is the mini NASDAQ going up. Still long natural gas. And our stock, QRTEB, still long. Nothing in the currencies right now. Nothing at all. Nothing on the Euro US. Nothing on the US yen. Watching MGAM. See if we hit this lower target down here. 692. 692. Had a buy come in on QRTEB. Trying to hit a target of 725, 1725. All right, so those on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe so we can keep you updated on any new videos coming out. I do have one coming out. Should be out today. I just kind of want to do just a quick overview of my approach to trading. What is Einstein? When I talk about Einstein, what are these behavioral patterns all about? I'm going to get into that. Looks like this MGAM slowly working its way down the target of 692. Watching gold. Gold may get triggered short. We got a little ways to go here on this gold, but I really want to get this gold down to 1780 before I take a short on the gold. So not yet, nothing on gold. All right. Still don't see anything here. Get some early indications. It looks like Euro US wants to go up. So we'll see if that Euro US pops up. Does look like it wants to go higher. But I don't have any setups yet on Euro US, nothing on the yen.
Profit target hit.
All right, so it looked like QRTEB did hit its profit target. QRTEB did hit target. That was a full dollar move too. That was it's a nice little move there on that QRTEB. All right, still long natural gas. Dow's up 232. I think it's getting ready to push to new highs. Well, so once again, we are approaching the top of the hour. This will end our live broadcast for today. Once again, we do this every morning, Monday through Friday. First hour is free to everybody. After that, we continue on in our live chat room with all our core and CB members. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like the channel. We'll continue to do this if it's helpful. Also, always open to your suggestions. If there's a way that we can make this channel better for you, please let me know. Just go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. That will be changing here shortly. We will be having a release of that information, but we will be changing the name of the channel. But that's going to be a few more weeks out. But if there's anything you'd like to see me track, a particular stock or whatever, or even a commodity. I'll be glad to look at that for you during this first hour of trading. All right. So thank you for joining us. Everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning, and it's going to be at 9 a.m. Eastern. Take care.